Salesforce has now officially assigned a code to the Order Management Administrator Accredited Professional Exam. It's AP219. In this video, powered by CertsHero, we'll walk you through the latest exam updates, the exact exam details, and the domain breakdown you need to master. Quick update. You will register and take this exam via WebAssessor with both online proctored and testing center options available. Here are the key facts. 60 multiple-choice questions, plus up to 5 unscored. 90 minutes to complete. Passing score is 65%. Exam fee, $200. Retake, $100. Plan your preparation around these domains. Order management setup, 20%. Fulfillment and order processing, 30%. Integrations and data flows, 20%. Returns, exchanges, and adjustments, 15%. Analytics and troubleshooting, 15%. And now, in this video, we'll go through 10 practice questions together with correct answers and explanations.
Question 1. In Marketing Cloud personalization, what is the primary role of a catalog? A. To manage user consent preferences. B. To store structured product or content data. C. To track campaign performance. Correct answer is B. To store structured product or content data. Here's why. A catalog is used to store structured product or content information so the personalization rules and recommendations can be applied effectively. Question 2. Which type of attribute in Marketing Cloud personalization is used to describe user-specific information such as demographics or preferences? A. Item attribute. B. User attribute. C. Event attribute. Correct answer is B. User attribute. Here's why. User attributes store information about the customer themselves, enabling personalization based on demographics or behavior. Question 3. In Marketing Cloud personalization, what is an example of an event attribute? A. Gender. B. Product category viewed. C. Age. Correct answer is B. Product category viewed. Here's why. Event attributes capture customer actions, such as viewing a product or clicking a link, which help tailor personalization. Question 4. Which type of campaign in Marketing Cloud personalization delivers recommendations or personalized content directly on a website? A. Web campaign. B. Mobile push campaign. C. Email campaign. Correct answer is A. Web campaign. Here's why. Web campaigns allow personalized offers, content, or product recommendations to appear in real time on a website. Question 5. What is the primary benefit of using Einstein recipes in Marketing Cloud personalization? A. To send SMS campaigns. B. To build machine learning-driven product recommendations. C. To manage customer consent. Correct answer is B. To build machine learning-driven product recommendations. Here's why. Einstein recipes leverage algorithms to generate personalized product or content recommendations for each user. Question 6. In Marketing Cloud personalization, a decision strategy is best described as A. A collection of items in the product catalog. B. A set of rules that determines what content or offer to display. C. A process for sending transactional emails. Correct answer is B. A set of rules that determines what content or offer to display. Here's why. Decision strategies define the logic used to decide what experience is shown to each customer. Question 7. Which integration allows Marketing Cloud personalization to share audiences and attributes with Marketing Cloud engagement? A. Google Analytics 360 integration. B. Connector for engagement. C. Mobile SDK integration. Correct answer is B. Connector for engagement. Here's why. The Connector for engagement lets you sync audiences, attributes, and personalization data into Marketing Cloud engagement for cross-channel activation. Question 8. What type of testing does Marketing Cloud personalization support to measure campaign performance? A. A/B testing. B. Manual testing only. C. Usability testing. Correct answer is A. A/B testing. Here's why. A/B testing allows marketers to compare different experiences or content to see which performs better. Question 9. In Marketing Cloud personalization, what is the purpose of a goal? A. To define success criteria for campaigns. B. To store customer demographic data. C. To manage catalog synchronization. Correct answer is A. To define success criteria for campaigns. Here's why. Goals allow you to measure whether a campaign is achieving the desired outcome, such as conversions or engagement.
Thanks for watching. Ready to pass AP 219? Get domain-mapped practice questions with explanations available now on Certs Hero. The link is in the description.